Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining me here in this session by Genesis11. This is a series of educational sessions that we publish in order to help you guys out with your trading. And today's session is going to be about stock trading. So on the Genesis11 platform, you can trade euros, dollars, Japanese yen. You can also trade, of course, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. But one of the favorite and most attractive assets to trade on the Genesis11 platform are, of course, stocks. So I'm going to show you today how to find the stocks on the platform, which kind of stocks do we have, and therefore you're going to be able to trade based on opportunities, of course, that you find in the market. So once you logged into your Genesis11 platform and you have an account, you can start trading all the asset types. What I suggest everybody, you can log in while I'm doing this video so you can see exactly how to find stocks on the platform. So let's go ahead straight to the Genesis11 trading platform. So once you logged in, this is what you're going to see, the Genesis11 trading platform. And on the left side of the screen, you're going to find a search field where you can pick any asset that you want. The variety of assets that we have here on the platform is amazing. Now, today we're going to speak about stocks, so I'm going to click here on the drop down. I'm going to go to, for example, US stocks. And again, you just click on the drop down on the arrow here and pick US stocks on the left side of the screen. Take a look at the amount of stocks that we have, the number of stocks that we have here on the platform. Absolutely amazing. Every day, one of these stocks, of course, is going to create an opportunity. All the stocks that you really like and appreciate are here. One of the main ideas is to find a stock that you really want to trade on. So what you can do is you can just scroll down and find a particular stock that you want to trade. But you can also search the stock on the search field here on the top. And a very good idea is also to look at the ticker, the code of the stock, because many times you don't see the exact name of the company here. So for example, if you want to trade one of the most famous U.S. stocks, which is called Caterpillar, then you're not going to see Caterpillar here. You're going to see CAT, CAT, which is the ticker. So for example, if you click CAT here, then you get to CAT, and CAT is Caterpillar. For example, if you want Tesla, then you can click TSLA. Okay, Tesla is, of course, one of the most attractive stocks to trade on today. And you can see on the left side of the screen, this is Tesla. I can also click on the chart here so I can see Tesla full screen chart. But in order to find Tesla, you got to go to TSLA and not write Tesla, the whole name. So we have a lot of stocks on the Genesis11 platform. I suggest you guys look at the codes per stock so you can find it on the platform. So any stock from any country, we're going to have it. If it's European stocks, there we go. And now I can find all the European stocks that I like. You can see the drop down here with Adidas and Airbus. What an opportunity we had with Airbus this year with all the corona crisis and everything. So to find the stocks, you go to scroll down here and find US stocks and European stocks and also UK stocks. For example, if I click here, then you get EasyJet and Glencore and HSBC and so many different assets here on the Genesis11 platform. Thank you, everybody, for joining me, and see you in the next videos.